Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set maps walking directions to avoid or use hills, busy roads and stairs on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Maps. Next, scroll down and in the Directions section, tap on Walking. Next, you can choose to avoid hills by turning hills on. If you want to avoid busy road, you want to tap on the toggle button to switch it on. You can also avoid stairs by tapping on the stairs toggle button. If you want to switch them off, you can just tap on the toggle button to switch it off, and the map will be able to use hills, busy roads and stairs to provide direction suggestions. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.